If you're thinking about starting cybersecurity, but you feel confused about where to begin, what to learn first, or whether you are doing the right things, this video is for you. I've seen many beginners struggle, not because cybersecurity is too difficult, but because there is no clear direction. Today, there is too much information online, too many courses, too many tools, too many people selling shortcuts. And when beginners see all this, they feel overwhelmed. They jump from one thing to another and eventually they stop. So, before we talk about what to learn, we need to talk about how to think. Let me be very clear about one thing: cybersecurity is not about learning tools first. Tools change every year, but what does not change is how systems work and how attacks happen. If you don't understand systems, tools will only confuse you. At its core, cybersecurity is about three things: understanding systems, understanding how those systems can be attacked, and understanding how to protect them. That's it. Everything else, tools, certifications, job roles, comes later. Most people fail in cybersecurity because they skip the basics. They want fast results. They want advanced tools. They want to feel like hackers immediately. But when you skip fundamentals, gaps form, and those gaps eventually stop your progress. Now, let me walk you through a simple and realistic roadmap for beginners. This is not a shortcut, this is how learning actually works. The very first step is building foundations. You need to understand how operating systems work, you need to understand basic networking, and you need to understand how the internet works. This step is not optional. If you ignore it, everything later will feel random. Strong foundations make learning easier. Weak foundations make learning frustrating. The second step is security fundamentals. You should understand what threats are, what vulnerabilities mean, and how defenders think. This is where cybersecurity starts making sense because now you are not just learning technology, you are learning security. The third step is choosing a direction. You don't need to decide your entire career immediately, but you should explore areas like red team, blue team, cloud security, or SOC roles. This step is about exposure, not commitment. The fourth step is practice. Labs, CTFs, small projects. Practice helps you connect theory with reality. It builds confidence and it shows you where your understanding is weak. Now, let me tell you what to avoid. Avoid jumping into random tools without understanding why you are using them. Avoid shortcuts, they don't work long term. And avoid comparing yourselves to others. Cybersecurity is a long journey. Everyone moves at a different pace. In cybersecurity, clarity is more important than speed. If you understand what you are doing, progress becomes steady. If you rush without understanding, progress eventually stops. On this channel, I'll explain cybersecurity step by step, clearly, honestly, and without hype. Start slow, stay consistent.